How to change navigation voice in Google Maps. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can change the navigation voice in Google Maps. For that, launch the Google Maps application on your mobile device, and once you reach to this page, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. From there, scroll down and click on the settings option at the bottom, and once you reach to this page, scroll down until you find navigation options and tap on it. You will be taken to this page. Here, look for the option voice selection or the similar voice option within the navigation settings. Once you find it, tap on it to access the list of available voices. Google Maps typically offers several voice options. Scroll down the list and tap on the voice you want to prefer. After selecting the voice, exit the setting menu and your new navigation voice preference will be saved automatically. So that's how you can change navigation voice in Google Maps. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.